I've seen so many people struggle to make money online, jumping from side hustle to side hustle, trying to figure out what's the best way that they can make money and leave their 9-to-5 job. And trust me, I've been there before, trying thing after thing, trying to figure out how to make money online for over 7 years. So my goal in this video is show you how you can make money online as a complete beginner without spending years or wasting years of time, and how you can do this as soon as this month. Now, this business model is the same business model I've shown to over 21,000 people, mostly those who are looking to quit their 9-to-5 and achieve financial freedom. Now, for those who've been watching me for years, I'm actually the affiliate marketing guy, and I show people how to quit their jobs with affiliate marketing. However, this is actually different, and it's going to help you make money, in my opinion, a lot faster than something like affiliate marketing. Now, that being said, I still love affiliate marketing. It just takes more time to build that leverage to start making money. But let's dive right in so I can show you the fastest way to make money online this month. Now, I also want to mention I'm giving out a free course, giving you all my entire templates, my scripts, everything that you need. That way you can start seeing results with this method that I'm going to show you. And all you have to do is like this video and say financial freedom down below, and I'll personally send you instructions on how to get that free course. All right, so I'm going to show you this simple business model in 3 steps. Okay, that's how simple this is. Okay, so step number 1, all we're doing is finding local business owners. Okay, so local businesses could be such as chiropractors, it could be plumbers, those type of businesses. Okay, so these are finding local businesses. Step 2, all we're doing is helping these local businesses get leads. Okay, so we're building a leads system. Okay, so we're going to say lead system, and then with this, I'm going to show you how you can use this special software that you don't even have to tell them that you're using, but this is going to do the magic for you. That way you look like a superhero to them. Okay, and in return, they're going to pay you anywhere between $300 or $500 per month. Okay, that's the business model. But the cool thing is I'm going to show you how to implement this system within their business in a matter of minutes. And for step 2, this is going to be as simple as copy and paste. Okay, and they're going to pay you handsomely to do that. All right, so let me go ahead and just show you how this works. Okay, you can simply go to Google and type in a local business and which city that you want to target. Now, you can go ahead and target any city that you want. It doesn't have to be just your city. Okay, but we can do something like plumbers. I'm going to put a city near me. I'm going to put Santa Fe here. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to go to maps. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to scroll and we're going to find the plumbers that don't have a lot of reviews. And the whole purpose of what we're going to do is we're going to help these businesses that don't have reviews or very little reviews. We're going to help them get more reviews. That way they can rank up higher, because as you can see, typically if you're looking for a plumber, you're going to go with the first 3, 4, 5 people that you see. Okay, so that's going to be part of your sales pitch, right? It's like, hey, I'm going to help you get more reviews, and that way you can show up higher. Okay, and that's the whole goal. Now, before anyone says anything about, hey, these are fake reviews, no, these are 100% legit. But what we're going to do is we're going to automate their business. That way it sends a text message, an email. That way it encourages people to give a review. Now I'm going to scroll down here. I want to look for something with very little reviews. Okay, so first one here, I see this one right here, only 17 reviews. Okay, so I would put that on my list. Okay, get their number. Next one here, let's see if we can find something even smaller. Here's another one right here, Arts Plumbing, only 9 reviews, and that one has lower reviews, so we can help them get 5-star reviews with that. And then we're going to scroll and see if we have anything more. But what I'm trying to show you is there's so many here, right? There's another one right here, Rich Duran, with only 19. Here's an amazing one. So as we go really far down, you can see 7 reviews here, 3 reviews, 2 reviews. These are all the businesses that you want to target. All right, so the next step, once you contact these local businesses, all you have to do is connect this software to their Google My Business profile. The Google My Business profile is simply this right here. Okay, so it just shows up on the Google Maps, and that way they have some sort of listing. Okay, so typically if you can see it here, it's going to be on the Google My Business. But what you're going to want to do is use this software, which is called Funnel Freedom. You can also go to funnelfreedom.io And what you're going to do is inside of this software, you're going to go to settings, and in settings, you're going to click on where it says integrations. Okay, so under integrations, you're going to scroll down to where it says Google Business Profile. Okay, you're going to go ahead and connect their business profile. They can go ahead and enter their information here, and essentially it's going to connect their Google My Business to the software Funnel Freedom. Now, once everything is connected, you can go to over here where it says reputation. And now what happens is when someone leaves a review, so over here at the top where it says reviews, you can now have people leave reviews that are connected to the Google My Business profile, okay? But this is where it gets really cool, okay? If we go to settings over here, you can see that if we go to SMS review request, we can actually create text messages that will send out automatically once they're done doing the work. Now, this is the same case with an email. You can also send automated emails that are sent out automatically once the service is now completed. Now, when you do this, people are now encouraged automatically to leave a review, okay? And in return, these are gonna start to go up. And with that, they're gonna now rank higher in the Google algorithm. Now, you'll notice this only took a few minutes to set up. All you have to do is connect the Google My Business profile to the Funnel Freedom software, and after that, everything is going to be automated once you set up the text messages and the emails to go leave a review. And they're going to be super happy, super excited, and they're going to pay you on a monthly basis for this one service that you're going to offer them. Now, here's the best news. This is only one of many services that you can offer them. And honestly, you can blow their mind with some of the things that you can do with this software, such as creating an automated AI bot that answers questions for them, automated emails, automated text messages, even building a better website for them if they don't have one. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I want to show you how you can access a free course that's going to give you all my scripts, my templates, how to get customers, and how you can really build out this business model and agency. Now, we created a free course called Freedom University, and with Freedom University, we actually show you step by step how this all works. Okay, so you can see we show you how to set up the SMS, the missed callbacks. We show you how to do the conversations, how to do the calendars, how to do the automations, all the things that you want to know. Even we go extremely into depth into the reputation. But the most important part, and this is what I want to show you here, is if you click on right here, the bonus build your agency, this actually shows you and it gives you all our scripts to be able to get clients, how to reach out, what you can say to get leads, to get clients, step by step, and you know exactly how to onboard them. Now, this is a course that we usually charge $997, but let me show you how you can get it for free. So as I mentioned, you're gonna need the Funnel Freedom software to be able to help them connect the entire process. So when you become a member of Funnel Freedom, you automatically get access to Freedom University, which is the course that I just showed you, okay? So I'm gonna leave a link down below to get access to Funnel Freedom, and once you become a member, you'll automatically get access to Freedom University, okay? And once you get access to it, you'll notice on the top here, there's a button right here where it says Freedom University, and that will take you right to the course, which will look just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.